like our customer, they belong to a rural, rural
Yeah,
area,
yeah.
and sometimes they, like some of them, they belong to city area, but they speak in Punjabi and Hindi.
Hello, how are you,
Hello.
brother?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also great by the grace of Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. And tell me something about you. Where are you from, and what do you do like this? Tell me something about yourself and tell me your introduction. And after that, we will go another topic.
Sure. My name is Ravi, and I'm from Jalandhar, that is in Punjab, and I work in
Okay.
a finance company.
What companies?
Finance company. The
Oh,
name
that's my
is
goodness.
Shriya
It's my
Transport
goodness.
Finance.
Yeah, that it's better to say like sir. It's better to conversation better. I can say you as a sir. Okay, thank you for your appreciation. You are doing as a financer, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have completed all your qualification which you want to complete.
Yeah, I completed my graduation, and after that, I started working.
So I can't believe that you are from Jalandhar. You are look like as a Punjabi like this. It's not like to you.
I'm not Punjabi. Basically, I'm the resident of Uttar Pradesh. There is a city in Uttar Pradesh, Muradabad. But for the
Okay.
last 20 years, I have been living here.
Okay, is it? Oh, it's really great that you are living on there and you are working over there, and this is really interesting. And tell me something more interesting thing which you want to share through this video.
Okay, so about Jalandhar, about my city, or about my journey. What would you
Anything.
like?
If you want to share your best thing, then it's better for me. It's better for others who really want to learn, really want to do something unique through, I can say, English journey purpose.
Okay, so journey first. If I think where I work, that is a broad sector. Finance sector, it's not in a small sector. It has definitely it's a broad sector, and here whether you belong to commerce side or you belong to you did BA, anything else, but there is a job opportunity. Definitely you get find job here. So it's a since 2015 I have been working in finance company, and that it's a target basis job. If you complete the target, then you can survive. If you are not able to complete your target,
your level is higher and higher and higher.
So yeah, they give you 1 or 2 months or 3 months. After that, definitely they will fire you. As the same, like they will, the management who hire you. Okay, definitely after some time.
So if I talk about your job purpose, you are working over there. There is any need to conversation with your staff, or I can say your senior manager or HR like this. So there is need to conversation through English like this types of conversation.
So, to be honest, English has nothing to do with this department where I work. Okay, so in the last 3 years, I didn't speak even a single word in English, because here we have to speak in regional language. The native language Punjabi, so we have to speak Punjabi. Sometimes we speak in Hindi.
Okay.
Nobody speak in English, because like our customer, they belong to a rural area, and sometimes they like some of them, they belong to city area, but they speak in Punjabi and Hindi.
Okay.
Even my management and with my colleagues, they just they speak in their native language.
Okay.
But I think it's a must if you know this language, because if you want to get promotion, if you want to move from here, any other banks, and things. You can't say if there is no one here who who doesn't speak in English, then the next company where you would like to go, in that company nobody will speak in English with you. You can't say this thing. So I think it's a good opportunity if you learn this language.
Okay, okay, definitely. It's really amazing conversation to you that you are understand me. There is no need, but you were learning, you were motivating others like through this video call, through this audio call. It's really pleasure moment for me as well, because I'm also working in private sector, that is just showroom area. I work over there as a back office staff, but there is no need also for conversation purpose in English, but I love to speak all around the world, so it's really possible for me that I am able to speak. Last I can say 1.5 year I spent in learning purpose this skill, and I just speak. And now I think, it's my opinion, I think it's better for me whatever
Yes.
I talk with my friends, with others in whole world. So it's familiar, I can say. It's easy nowadays, and it's automatically come to our mind, it's automatically come to our fluency way. So it's definitely, it's really good language according to me.
It's, yeah, definitely. It's, if you know English, the definitely it boosts up your confidence, it boosts up your knowledge, your personality. It boosts up each and everything that belongs to you.
Yeah, yeah. So did you any place, did you go any place there you speak with the mic, and there you can speak something thing? There is any such types of situation you face in your life?
Where I had to speak in English or is any language?
No, I am talking about only for English language. So my question
Yes.
is goes to English.
No, there was no time where I had to speak in English. But already, I worked 2 years in call center, so I had a confidence at that time. I had a confidence that how to not manipulate, how to control the traffic,
Yes.
or how to convince
Okay. Okay.
people.
Okay, so you were learning the skill. There is where you were working. There is no need. So main reason. Could you please tell me about the journey of learning English, and why you were also learning? Like me, I'm also learning for better fluency, better confidence, better showing purpose. So why you also want to learn? So share me about your opinion.
Okay, so like I completed my graduation in 2015, but after that I realized that I was not good at English, and definitely because of this, in future I would have to face difficulties. Okay, so when I realized, I started learning this language, but sometime I learned again, I quit. Again, I started after 6 months
Yes.
assembly, then again quit.
Yes. Yes.
So,
Yes.
this thing, I did 2 or 3 times. But in 2020, in the March, when COVID, okay, so the lockdown was imposed, the time was blessing that I realized that I should be good at something, and that should be,
Okay.
I think that should be English, because if I know this thing, then I can render my service, or I can make this as a part-time job.
Mm-hmm.
So this is my first, and already I mentioned that I worked 2 years in call center. Then I love connecting, with different people every day.
Oh,
In
it's really amazing.
Delhi, there are lots of calls, international call center, even domestic. So sometimes I feel that I should go there, and I started, I should start career again in call center. And there are lots of opportunity. So that's the two reason. I just
So, okay. So, in your fluency purpose, if you have chance to go for travel purpose, any travel area in out of our country, so which country would you like to go?
Okay, so which country would I like to go? Okay, so I think there are the 1 or 2 countries where lots of people Punjabi, they want to go there, or they have went there. That is Canada. First one is Canada. Second one is England.
Okay. I'm asking you, your opinion, so you answer me. That's really amazing. That it's really happy moment that you are answering all those questions which I asked you. It's really a happy moment that you answer me, and I also answered your question. That is the uniqueness of this language. It's my opinion, and it's really happy moment that we are talking in English without hesitation, without frustration. This is the uniqueness of this language. Yeah. So you asked me through message purpose is fluency, is it?
Okay, so actually, by mistake, I sent that message to you. I was sending that message to somebody else. There is a girl, Kalpana, there is a group, Skype group, in which there is one girl, Kalpana. I don't know, she is a girl or she is a woman. I don't know.
Yes, she is a girl. I talked with her 2 months ago. Is it? It's possible. And why you sent that message? Because what is the benefit of that application? Maybe you are sending that purpose. Maybe the reason of application. Is it?
This is the best application on Play Store. If you want to learn this language, definitely it helps you a lot. Here, without any without paying a single rupee, you are given 25 minutes every day. That is also the best.
So tell me about that matter, because I have downloaded that application, but I didn't use that application for fluency purpose, better communication purpose. So tell me about that matter. What is the fact about that application? Because it's really improved for my fluency, improve a lot for others as well, if we talk about those matters.
First, why I'm saying that this is the best application of because there are lots of applications available on the Play Store, but this is the best. The reason is here there are lots of things that that are given by the Ace Fluency like a developer. Like here you can block. In another app you can't block anybody. Okay, so if anybody misbehave you or like start abusing, here you have opportunity to have the right to block that person, to give the feedback.
Okay.
So after ending and every call, there is an option to give the feedback. You have to give the feedback to that person with whom you connected, and same he has to give the feedback to you. So first thing. Second thing is here like 5 p.m. to 8. This is the best time to use this app, because here there are beginner they also use
intermediate,
intermediate. Even if there's some good, like they have a good knowledge, they also use this application. There is no network issue. Okay, there is no voice like sometimes we say your voice is I don't like every day you may find some difficulties like network issue. So that's the reason we use this application for the last 2 months, not 2 years. Even I'm the premium user of this application. Okay, so I will not suggest you that you should purchase any plan, but I would say that you should at least use this application for
I will definitely. Actually, I already downloaded. I have downloaded that application, but I didn't use that application. But I heard a lot because there is some ads is available in YouTube, so they are providing that types of atmosphere, like they are talking through ads.
But this is different from all the apps. You can't compare this.
So you used I can say you used that application properly, is it?
Yes, I use this application. I think I spend half an hour, sometimes 1 hour every day on this app, because I am So I think for 1 month, just I have to spend 260 rupees for 1 month.
Okay. So according to you, that application is better than others' application, is it? And that may be helpful for others if we discuss. We discuss that matter, that application purpose, because why we are talking about that application matter, because you realize that matter, that it's really helpful for others. So we are discuss on that application purpose, that is really helpful for others. I can say it's really helpful for others person. Yeah, so it's really great conversation to you, and I must appreciate your way of talking. I must appreciate that you told me something unique, that is S application, S fluency. So I will definitely use that application for better communication purpose. So definitely you will give us, or I can say give me more information how to speak better, how to get uniqueness of this language, because you are advanced than me. So you definitely give anyone your knowledge, your support for better communication purpose. So if you want to share something more things for learning purpose, so you can, no problem for me and no problem for.
I want to ask you something, that what are the ways that you use every day to brush your English up, to brush up your English, or to enhance your English? What do you?
Well, it's not any term and condition that I will use for every single day. But there is, I think, I feel be happy that I talk with many of my friends. I talk with through WhatsApp call, through Facebook call, or I can say Speak in English app also available in the internet. So I use those types of platform for better fluency purpose. And I have another friend, so I talk with them because I think it's my need, because there is no need. That's why I always force them, please come and please talk with me, because it's my need. Yes, they also has need, but they are not on that way of thinking. But I'm thinking this, that it's my need. I have to improve myself. I have to more fluency for communication, for conversation, whatever the work I have to do or I will do in future for English language purpose, because it's my duty to enhance myself. So that is why I use those types of application and some of my friends for talking purpose.
Yeah. So what about other, like about reading, writing, and
yes. I also read some books. It's I realize reading is the best thing, because if I read, then it's definitely need, not only for me. Reading is definitely need for everyone who is beginner, intermediate, any types of I can say participant or aspirant. Definitely they must have to read at least 1 or 2 pages in a day. So it's really benefit a lot for communication purpose, for better fluency purpose. And we are just talking as a friend, and it's also a helpful method, because without talking it's not possible. We need to talk, we need to speak better. So we need to spend time, because in beginning time we are just depression while talking, because we are talking as the same manner, same thing, but we don't think about that matter, that we are doing same work, but it's not. It's the beginning time, it's happened, but after if I tell like this, that if I complete my beginning stage, and I will go another stage and another stage and another stage. Otherwise it's not possible. Speaking is the only way, then I can fluency, you also can fluency. It is the only way.
Definitely you can speak, like if you want to learn this method, then you have to speak more. But how could you speak if you don't have the knowledge? If you have the word, then you can use. But if you don't have the words how to use, or if you don't have the vocabulary, if you don't have the knowledge, then how could you speak more and more? So that's the reason all like all the tutors, all who know English, and the teacher, they suggest that you have to read more and more, because of this reason. Because when we read something, then we grab something, like lots of work, vocabulary, we learn, and some grammatical things like how to make the sentence, or lots of things we learn.
Yeah.
I think it's the
Absolutely.
best.
Yes, absolutely. We were correct. We are discussing many things, many knowledge we learn. We explore ourselves through this video. It's definitely helpful for others. I don't know it's helpful for others or not, but I think it's helpful for others if they see all this thing which we discuss through this video. So it's definitely helpful. It's definitely helpful. So it is okay for today. It's if you end for our conversation, so it's our conversation is enough for today. And if you talk many things, we will discuss another day or any time, because we are learners. We spend more time, we speak better. So it's our duty. It's our duty to convince others. It's our duty to explore our knowledge, and in this exploration purpose, everyone come to us and they can speak better. It's our duty. So okay, see you another day, see you another time when we will be free. And so thank you, bye bye, see you another time, bye bye, see you soon.